Tayo ngayon sa Paik's Coffee. This is a newly opened coffee shop and bakery dito po sa Angeles City.
The place is very modern, very neat, yan. Pero dito talaga very welcoming ang ambience.
And guys, so another batch of breads just came in.
Speaking of bread, kung makikita nyo sa likod natin, they are freshly baked yung mga tinapay nila dito. And every day, talagang bagong-bago yung mga tinapay natin.
I had the chance to come in. Nakita ko how modern and high-tech yung the way and they produce yung mga breads natin dito. So,
let's identify yung mga breads na available dito.
okay, so we have our menu over here.
For our bread, so meron tayong pizza bread, garlic baguette, meron tayong triple stracciatella, walnut red bean, meron din tayong bagel and egg bagel.
Ooh.
So we have choco chip cookie, we have choco chip scone,
Ito yung mga ciabatta.
ciabatta, yes. Snow bun,
Yan.
plain ciabatta. Can you identify? This one is the plain ciabatta,
Ito may corn.
Corn.
corn ciabatta, and olive ciabatta.
Now for the drinks, they shared with us, meron tayong coffee base, non-coffee base, soda base, ayan. Kagandahan dito, parang medyo trendy na pang millennial yung mga recipe nila. They have parang snow or ice cream.
Yes, we have an option to have some ice cream on top or yung kanilang smoothie. Yun. Actually, a while ago, sinerve din kanilang ice cream.
Okay, so anyway guys, so we're gonna taste them. Which ones are gonna go first? Guys, another place for you to check out. And by the way guys, this is how you pronounce it. It's Paik's Coffee. So next time you go here, at least you know how to pronounce it.
Yes, so Paik's Coffee is located dito sa Pilang Friendship Highway. Ang pinaka-landmark lang niya, malapit siya dun sa side gate ng Clark. And they're open from 9 a.m. to 2 a.m. Monday to Sunday.
So there you have it guys. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
Bye guys.